kwento lang briefly about, yung konting personal about you na hindi pa namin masyadong alam. Like with your wife, gano'n na kayo katagal married, ilan na yung anak nyo, and napaka-smooth sailing ba ng marriage life, or may mga time din na medyo nahalig-ganig, wala may mga gano'n.
Sige. I'll share my side while still trying to protect her privacy kasi she's a very private person. Pero my wife, si Sam, I consider her my wife pero hindi pa po kami kasama. Because of practical reasons. Supposed to be nung start ng pandemic, gusto sana namin. But when we were planning it, na-realize namin, ayaw namin pumili sa mga kaibigan. Gusto namin lahat sila nandun. So medyo malaking wedding ang tinutukoy namin. We had to decide kung uunahin pa namin yung bahay or wedding. Because she's pregnant during that time, we decided to start with the house, our dream home. Kaya nagkataon po, interior designer siya. She's very familiar with the costing, with the timeline. Kaya pinagkatiwalaan po siya. We finally decided together na unahin yung bahay. Pagkatayo ng bahay, that's when we will start planning again for our wedding. Pagdating sa pagiging smooth sailing, no, it was not. Kasi magkaibigan po kami before. Nag-start kami ng magkaibigan, magkabarkada. Kaibigan ko rin po yung next year. Tapos, we reconnected during 2019, bago mag-pandemic. So, nag-reconnect kami after not seeing each other for a couple of years. We were both healing from past relationships. Tapos, mabilis po kaming naging kami, I guess. And then, of course, iba yung dynamics pag magkabarkada at saka pag naging kayo na. Hindi kami nagkasi, yung mga iba namin pag-uugali, took us some time para mag-reach ng mga compromises. Pero right now, na meron po kaming dalawang chikiting, I can say, for the past few weeks or months, mas smooth sailing ang aming relationship. So I guess it was necessary na pagdaanan namin yung mga challenges, ang muntikang hiwalayan, hindi pagkakasunduan, para marating namin doon